G'day guys, Matty Mac here. I am the Oz Affiliate. Just letting you know today about a new program, the free monthly business builder, which I'm launching. So once or twice a month, I will help young entrepreneurs in their online business journey by giving back to the community. So if you're an up-and-coming entrepreneur, an affiliate marketer, a small business owner, on or offline, like a retail store is fine. If you want some assistance, some guidance, if you need a leg up to get your business off the ground, I am here to help. Sometimes I'll make a business plan, some coaching, advertising, marketing ideas, do some graphic design, build you a sales funnel, sometimes the whole lot. So from the 1st of every month, I'll be accepting applications. All you need to do is get on my website and apply. And tell me about yourself, tell me about your online journey, what you're working towards, your aspirations for world domination. And if your application is successful, we'll work directly together and boost your online journey and take your business to the next level. So what I usually do is set up a custom domain, build a sales funnel. I'll host it for you, so there's no outstanding costs for you. Set up email capture so you can start your very own marketing list, things like that. We'll jump into some marketing ideas, some advertising ideas, SEO tips, techniques, things like that, and we'll work together to boost your business. So somebody asked me why would I do this? Why would I give away my own time? And the answer to that is you have to give back to the community. You have to help. What you give away, guys, will come back to you in spades. So send your application if you want me to give you a hand. We'll get into it. We'll put something together for you. We'll really boost your journey. There is some basic criteria for your application, so you do have to be passionate about it. You have to be committed about your own business, and you have to be sort of a small business guy. You can't. I don't work with big businesses. They have marketing budgets. They can afford to pay all sorts of people. So you have to be small, starting out your journey. So if you want to apply for this, all you need to do is I'll put the link down below, but go to my website and there's a little application process. Have a read through that, see what you think, and send me an application. Let's get into it. Let's get your business off the ground. I hope to see you online, and let's do it today.